Hello everyone, so today we are going to solve another problem on hashing and this is of easy level. So the problem says array subset of another array. We have given a two arrays, array A1 and array 2 of size n and m respectively. Task is to check whether A2 is a subset of A1 or not. Both arrays can be sorted or unsorted. So here in example 1, as you can see, A2 is a subset of A1 because all the elements of A2 is present in A1. So our output is yes. Similarly, with our example 2, we can see 1, 2 and 4 are also present in A1. So this is A2 is a subset of A1. So our output is yes. In example 3, we can see that 3 is not present in A1. So the output is no. A2 is not a subset of A1. Let's build the logic first and then we will code it in Python.
So we have two arrays, array 1 and array 2. Array 1 is of length n and array 2 is of length m. Now what we will do is we will create our dictionary D, an empty dictionary. Now we will traverse the elements of array 1 and put its element as key values and their occurrences as values. So now let's say 1. 1 is not there in the dictionary. So we will initialize it with 1. Now 2. 2 is not also in the dictionary. We will initialize it with 1. 1 is already there in the dictionary. So we will increment its value by 1 and it will become 2. Now 3 is not there. Initialize it with 1. 2 is there, increment it by 1, thus it will become 2. Now 3 is already there. Increment it by 1, it will become 2. So in the end our dictionary will look like this. 1 is 2 times, 2 is also 2 times, 3 is also 2 times. After that we will traverse our array 2 and we will check if 3 is there or not. If 3 is not there, then we will return false. If 3 is there, then we will check if its value is 0 or not. Let's say 3. 3, its value is not equals to 0. So what we will do is we will decrement its value by 1. It will become 1. Again 3. We will check is it there? Yes, 3 is there. And its value is not equals to 0. It's 1. So we will decrement its value by again 1. It will become 0. It means we have traversed all the elements of find all the elements of 3 in the of array 1. Now it's time for 1. Let's check is 1 is there. Yes, 1 is there. Is its value is equal to 0? No, it's not equal to 0. So we will, sorry, not 3. It's 1. And 1 is not equals to 0. It's 2. So we will decrement its value by 1. It will become 1. Again now 2. 2 is not equals to 0. It's 2. So we will decrement its value by 1. It will become 1. Now again 2 has come. 2 is now equals to 1, which is not equals to 0. Now we will decrement its value by 1. It will become 0. Now we have our last element 1. And we can see 1 is there and its value is not equal to 0. So we will make it 0. So in this way, at the end we will return true, and we have seen that all the elements of array 2 are there in array 1. So array 2 is a subset of array 1. So let's say there is one more element 3 over here. Now we will check is 3 is there on the dictionary. Yes, 3 is there. Its value, now we will check its value. Now its value is equals to 0. It means 3 is extra over here. So we will return false in this case. But 3 is not there. Our array is only this much. So we will return true after all these operations. So the time complexity is going to be, we are first traversing array 1, then array 2. Both are of different lengths. So that big of n plus m. I hope you understand the logic of this code. Let's try to code it.
Now let's code the problem in Python programming language. Initially I will declare a dictionary, empty dictionary D, Then I will traverse our array 1 for I in A1. I will put all the elements of A1 as key in dictionary and their occurrences as values. So for D, if I not in D1, sorry D, then I will initialize our element I as 1, else I will increment its value if it's present by 1. Now I will iterate our array 2 and check if I not in D, then we will return false, not false. We have to return yes or no, so we will return no. Else if I in D but the value of I is equals to 0, then also we will return no. Else if I in D and its value is not equal to 0, we will simply decrement its value by 1. If none of the condition met, we will return yes. Let's compile and run. It's giving us correct output. Let's try to submit it. It's giving correct output and successfully submitted. Okay, thank you for watching.